मोदी जी मेरे लिए आ गए हैं जापानी लोगों के लिए।
नमस्कार मोदी जी, जापान में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है और हम दिल से आशा करते हैं कि भारत और जापान के बीच और भी गहरी मित्रता और सहयोग स्थापित हो। भारी जाओ रे, बलिहारी जाओ रे, भारी जाओ रे।
For more details on that story, the cultural performance, Shivani has expected members of the diaspora, and there are lots of Indians, in fact, living in Japan, particularly in Tokyo, welcoming the Prime Minister. Is always excited to see him. And this is something that has become, very common in Prime Minister's visits, isn't it? Back to Shivani for more details on that story. Shivani, we are staying with pictures. In fact, the Prime Minister witnessing the cultural performances. Right now, as always, meeting with members of the diaspora, as always, excited to meet him. I also heard in the night sound with a lot of them congratulating the Prime Minister for Operation Sindoor. Many of them getting emotional. Truly a moment for Indians living outside of India to see the Prime Minister get the welcome that he does in whichever country he travels to. A lot of love and a lot of respect. And these meetings with the diaspora have always become the highlight, really, isn't it, of the Prime Minister's foreign visits?
Certainly, Sneha, whenever Prime Minister lands in any country, the first ones to greet and welcome are the crowds of the Indian diaspora out there. And these visuals are so enchanting because, there are the artists also among these Indians who've been preparing to welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi. We heard Om Shanti being sung out there. We heard how these people are congratulating Prime Minister for successful Operation Sindoor, as you also heard that. And not only this, they are also up with those slogans, Jab tak Suraj Chand rahega, Modi tera naam rahega. So that's the love for Prime Minister outside India also. So this is how these people gathered despite in Japan when he landed. He was escorted by the dignitaries and certainly then he met the Indian diaspora members. This is a packed schedule, Sneha, but we've seen that however busy Prime Minister's visit has been, he has ample time to meet the members of Indian community on the foreign soil. And that's what we are seeing here too. So a lot of love for India, a lot of love for Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Japan, and all these Indians and also some Japanese who have been preparing to welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Indian cultural attire, Indian cultural and Indian cultural music and dance. So they all have been preparing to welcome Prime Minister, and most of them are Indians who are residing there.
That's right. Many Indians are welcoming the Prime Minister. Pictures of cultural performances and also members of the diaspora, they're welcoming him. Really the highlight of his visits. In fact, we'll go back to Shivani in a moment from now, but let's take a look once again at those pictures coming in, the conversation the Prime Minister's had with the diaspora. Let's take a listen.
जापान में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है और हम दिल से आशा करते हैं कि भारत और जापान के बीच और भी गहरी मित्रता और सहयोग स्थापित हो। भारी जाओ रे बलिहारी जाओ रे, भारी जाओ रे बलिहारी जाओ रे, मारे सतगुरु आंगन आया रे मेवारी जाओ रे।
जपानिलेगे स्वागतम। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।
माता की जय। We love you, मोदी जी। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर बधाई।
जब तक सूरज चांद रहेगा मोदी जी का नाम रहेगा। बहुत खुश हुए हम आपसे, आपके नाम से बहुत ज्यादा प्रभावित हैं।
मोदी जी प्रणाम।
To get you more details on that story, the Prime Minister in Japan, and what you are seeing right now is his interaction with members of the diaspora. They're welcoming them, excited, emotional, happy, all at the same time.